Is your head spinning too?
What's up, guys? We're back at the shop again today. I'm gonna start working on this bike a little bit. I brought it home with me because I was gonna work on it there. I remembered I forgot to load a plate over top of that, so I'm gonna clean all that up. I went to Walmart and bought some body filler and primer and degreaser and stuff like that so we can start cleaning it up. I think Charlie's gonna meet me up here and we're gonna start moving some of these cars around, and maybe that will be another video. My goal today is to at least get it primed. Got done work early today. It's only noon now, so we got some time. It's really nice out here today. It's like 65 degrees and it's like 40 inside the shop. So I think I'm gonna do this outside today. I'm just gonna clean up all these welds first, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so now that all of this is grinded nice and smooth, I cut out these two squares here, and I'm gonna take and weld those in right here to help clean that up a bit. Alright, so all the grinding and cutting and welding is all done. I didn't film a ton of it though. I feel like the last 3 videos have been nothing but me welding, or nothing but me grinding. So everything's all smooth now. I cut, I'm not going to put the center stand back on, so I cut the brackets for that off and grinded that down. These plates are on. Now I need to start cleaning the frame. I got some degreaser that I'm going to use on it. Hopefully you guys can see me. It's dark outside, obviously. I've already lost 2 days on this bike and I'm wanting to get this thing done. I've already degreased and cleaned the frame. I got some body filler here now, and I'm gonna start cleaning all this up and putting body filler on it. Charlie and I gotta get over and film a video of his truck. He set a goal to finish his truck by Carlisle, and that's a month and a half away. So I'm gonna set that as my new goal to finish this bike, and we're gonna race each other to see who finishes first. We'll see if I can get it done, but that's my new goal, so we're gonna start cranking on this thing. It's like getting a bag of Lay's potato chips and it's only halfway full. Alright, first coat is on. I still have to do the underside, but I'll wait for that to dry. And then we gotta sand it, and then it'll be ready for primer. Hopefully today will be the last day we're touching this frame. We got some of the finest in spray can technology here, and we're gonna put the first coat on and see what happens. So I did 2 coats of black on this. It's all dry. I'm gonna hit it with some clear now, and the frame will be done. I did 1 coat of clear, and I'm letting that first coat dry now. Probably hit it with a 2nd coat afterwards. But as of right now, the frame's basically done. Next, I think we'll be on to, not sure, I'm kind of thinking about polishing the motor next. I still have to paint the swing arm. I think there's something else that needed to be painted too. I'm not sure what that is off the top of my head. Next time we go up to the shop, we'll figure it out. But the frame is done, so I'm gonna close this video out here. As always, hit that subscribe button for some more. Keep leaving me comments, and we'll see you in the next video.